Hi there guys, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today I want to talk about what is a value ladder, and especially what is a value ladder in affiliate marketing. So in essence, here's a diagram of what a value ladder is. As we increase the value, we then also can increase the amount of price that we ask for, we ask somebody to give us, and if you think about it, it's no different to anything else in life. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is where a lot of people go wrong, especially in affiliate marketing. The first thing they do, they get somebody's email address somehow, and then before you know it, step one there, they're asking for the sale. They're asking people, buy my stuff. Step two, buy my stuff again. Step three, buy my stuff again. Eventually, the person shuts off and you never get to this kind of big bit where you're selling $1,000 products, because you haven't stepped it up. Think about anything in life. Do you know what I mean? I mean, like, if I went up to a girl, for example, and I just went up to her and said, "Hi, my name's Emmanuel. Will you marry me?" It's just too much. It's too quick. Yeah, you're gonna step it through slowly. You're gonna say, do you want to go for a coffee, or can I get your number? Can we go for a coffee, and then we go for another date, and blah 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 blah. And you go through the series, and then potentially maybe one day you get married. Who knows? But that's what we talk about with the value, and it doesn't change when it comes online. For some reason, especially in affiliate marketing, when people get into an affiliate marketing program, they suddenly think, maybe because it's digital and it's not like, doesn't feel like real world, they suddenly think all the rules go out the window. You got to think, traffic, in essence, is just people. So we get people to an offer. So this is kind of what a decent value series should more look like. Yeah, you got to excuse the writing. I tried to write with this funny little pencil, but anyway, we're trying to get people to know us more, like us more, trust us more, because then they'll be prepared to take out their credit card and buy something off us. It doesn't matter what you're selling, even if it's a $1 product. If people don't know you, like you, and trust you, they're not going to be buying anything off you, Or if they do buy something, say it is $1 and they do buy it, they won't buy anything else. And we want to build a relationship here so that in time, the person buys a $1 product, there may be a $5 product, there may be a $50 product, there may be a $1,000 product, there may be a $5,000 product, because now they know that you're there to help them. The sort of stuff you're going to be telling them about are things that's in their niche and it's going to help them. It's in the affiliate marketing niche I'm talking about here, but it works for all niches and it's going to help them. How a decent funnel or a decent value series looks like, a value ladder, is usually we get someone to what we call a squeeze page or an opt-in page, where you ask them for their name and email in exchange for something. Maybe it's a free article. Maybe it's I don't know, an interview with someone. Maybe it's a video where you talk a bit more about yourself and about your affiliate marketing journey. I don't know, but it's something that you believe that the person will find of value. For me, it's a 4-part video course where I give people 4 videos that tell them about the basics of affiliate marketing, how to go from where they are to a place where they can get leads and they can get sales. I give that away for free. So that's an introduction. It's like a hello. I want you to get to know more about me. I'm not asking you to buy anything. Just come into my world and have a look and see if you like it. That's what the first thing you should be doing, regardless of what you're selling. Yeah. So you're selling, like a lot of these people buy these warrior type forum products. And then, again, they get traffic from somewhere, and then they just start bombarding this traffic with buy. This is really great. This stuff is really good. So what you got to think about. So now I'm going to tell you. So they've come into your world now. The first thing we should be doing is giving them some information on the thing that they've asked about. So if it's affiliate marketing, I might tell them about some of the things that other people struggle with. I might tell them about some of the solutions. Maybe it's in an email. I'll think about the things that people are struggling with, because that's a bit of value. I've given them a little bit of something that they were looking for. Yeah. And then, it might be an email. And then maybe again, later on, I might send them a video that tells them a little bit more about the thing that I'm promoting and I'm wanting them to have a look at, because I think it's going to help them. And I might show them that this is how it might help you. This is how it's helped others. So it's a small progression. Do you know? I'm telling them a little bit more. I'm trying to give them some value on it. Then maybe you might do a webinar or another video where now they can sit with either you or the product owner, and they can look at this thing for an hour and think, okay, this is how it's different to other things. This is how I believe it can help you, blah, 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 blah. And then potentially then at that point, now you've given some value, you can then potentially start talking about, you know, this is how much it costs if you want to have a look at it. And most people do start small. But if you've given enough value, some people can ask for $1,000 off the back of all this value that they've given. So as the value goes up, like we said in this scale, as the value goes up, the amount of price you can ask goes up as well. If you are selling a little $5 product, then maybe you just have to give an email and maybe a quick video, and boom, you can sell it. If you're trying to sell $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 webinar, you're going to have to give continual value, you know, but we can't skip from here right to the end here, which is what a lot of people try to do in affiliate marketing without the value bit here, do you know? So that's what my mentor taught me. He actually teaches what we call a 4-part value series, where he shows you how to put this series together that actually goes from actually helps people to get to know you more, like you more, and then, you know, trust you enough to start buying stuff off you, you know. And it's a process. It's not a difficult process, but there is a process to it. And I learned that from him myself. And, you know, if you want to have a look at it for yourself, then I'm going to leave a link below this video. Like I said, you can get access to my own 4-part value series. And via that, you can actually have a look at his stuff as well. And he teaches you what this means, what it means to actually put this value together, do you know? So if that's something that might be of interest to you, then I'll leave a link below, do you know? But I hope this helped. I hope you understood this. If you take this away with you, then you'll have higher chances of getting sales from people, do you know what I mean? Because you're giving them value. And not just that, people will then, like, they'll feel warm around you. They'll think this person's here to help me, not just take my money. Because people do want to buy. They just don't want to be sold. Do you know what I mean? They want to feel like, in a way, they want to feel, oh, it was my decision to buy. And you do that by giving value. It's a value ladder. I mean, I'll leave you with this. I think it was David Vanderchuk that said, jab, 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 right hook. What he means by that is value, 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 value. Then we speak about the sell. You know, it's not just sell, 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 sell. It's value first, you know. So again, listen, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, then please just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you do want to have a look at that 4-part free affiliate marketing video course where I teach you more, I teach you about the basics of affiliate marketing, about traffic, turning traffic to leads and turning leads into sales, and doing that on a consistent basis. And also if you want to have a look at the video that my mentor teaches you what this value series actually is, then I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can click on that and get completely free access to that. Alright, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.